let's paint this halftone CMYK stencil of the Beatles. And this time I cut all the stencils from thick cardstock, which is better than cutting out of 7mm Mylar because you get less fumes from your laser cutter, and it's better than using printer paper. So I know it's called CMYK, and the printers do C and then M and then Y and then K, but I found over and over again that a better default order is YMCK, because the yellow almost always is not what you want in your final image, and then the magenta is another very bright color, and the C is often very little used, and so you really want to bring the C out, and obviously you want the K to be at the end. So YMCK works every time. We all live. Have I mentioned that all this is free on Bay Stencil? Like, you can download all of these CMYK halftone stencil patterns from whatever image you upload, absolutely free for now. Usually with the traditional 4-color separation, I don't recommend people do more than just a single face at a time, but with this halftone technique, you can actually, in a professional photograph, you can actually get 4 faces into an image that really makes sense. Lennon here is my favorite, and then Ringo is good, and Paul's pretty good. George Harrison is a little bit backed off into the corner, but still, I think it's pretty nice.